Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up user authorization for the web player. This lets you control who can watch your video stream. To start, we need to create a web player. Give it a name and choose your video source. Now, open Authorization settings. Here you can choose between passwords only and email and password combination. Let's start with passwords only. You can add a password manually, like this, or you can generate passwords automatically. Here, you can set the number of viewers and the length of the passwords. Let's do that now. Done. Our passwords are generated. Now you can download the file and share the passwords with your viewers. You can also import passwords using a CSV file. I'll show you that later. Okay, let's test the web player with password-only access. After saving, click Info and copy the web player URL. Callaba uses cookies to recognize you as an admin, so open the link in incognito mode to see what your viewers will see. And here's our web player. Let's enter the password. That's it. Now, only people with a password can access the stream. Great. Now, let's go back and choose emails and passwords. Just like before, you can add emails and passwords manually, like this. You can also import them from a CSV file. Let's see how. You need to have two columns, each one with a specific header, email and password, and that's it. That's the file. Now we will download it as a CSV. Let's import it. Awesome. Now we'll save our changes. Now, let's test email and password authorization. Once again, copy the web player URL and open it in incognito mode. Type your email and the password. And that's how web player with authorization works. Thank you for watching. Try Callaba on AWS or install self-hosted version.